Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. Today I'm going to take the bottom half off of this fridge and I'm going to deep clean the very bottom. As you can see, there's been a lot of dust and yucky hair, dirt buildup, and it's just not coming off very easily. So I'm going to first vacuum, then I'm going to unscrew that main part, then I'm going to take it off. I'm going to try to vacuum a little bit more and clean under the fridge and around those compartments and knobs, and moving it a little bit. As you can see how dirty this is now that I've taken this part off. I want you to see how gross all that hair and fuzz and dust is that was just sitting on there, and even around my knobs there. You see how that, look how yucky. Just so much grossness I need to try my best to get rid of. First, I'm just taking my Dyson handheld, and I am trying to get any loose parts that I can get out of there first, and then I'm going to move on to trying to use some spray cleaners and some water. I was trying different methods and different things to see what would work the best to remove all that gunk, but first off, I tried to use this Dyson. It was so stuck on there that even when I changed extension tools, it was not wanting to come off. It was just very stubborn, not wanting to move. So I had to end up taking it outside and rinsing it off of the hose after I sprayed it with some disinfectant cleaner. But we'll see that in a little bit. Right now, I'm just trying to clean out from under the fridge and the yuckiness. I'm just using a disposable plastic knife right now, trying to go around the wheel. Well, a lot of that pet hair has gotten stuck under there. I am spraying my Dollar General Pine Glow Disinfectant Lavender Scent. I am trying to get up under there, trying to loosen it up by making it wet first and spraying the cleaner on it to see how well I can get all that dried on gunk removed. I'm just going underneath it and all around it. It's kind of hard, but you can see just by going around it how much this stuff has gotten layered on. I felt like it wasn't too long ago that I moved my fridge and I tried to clean this, but maybe I'm wrong on the time frame because it looks pretty bad. So this is where I took the bottom half of the vent, the rail thing outside. I don't know exactly what you call that, but I sprayed it off with a disinfectant cleaner, and then I used the hose pipe. That was the best method that got it off quickly and efficiently after I sprayed it. So that is what I did. It was a great method. I'm going to show you up close now how well it removed it. All that gunk is gone, and now it's fresh and clean. This is it placed back on my fridge. So now, to me, it looks brand new. Easy, clean, just having to take it off, clean it up, put it back on, clean under the fridge, get all the nasty gunk in the hair, dry it off, and put it back on. Thank you guys for clicking on this video. Please show your support by liking, sharing, and commenting, and I hope everyone has a great day.